Hello, everyone! Today we are going to read Guess How Much I Love You, written by Sam McBratney, illustrated by Anita Jerome. Then we are going to make an accordion greeting card. Guess how much I love you. Little Nut Brown Hare, who was going to bed, held on tight to Big Nut Brown Hare's very long ears. He wanted to be sure that Big Nut Brown Hare was listening. Guess how much I love you, he said. Oh, I don't think I could guess that, said Big Nut Brown Hare. This much, said Little Nut Brown Hare, stretching out his arms as wide as they could go. Big Nut Brown Hare had even longer arms. But I love you this much, he said. That is a lot, thought Little Nut Brown Hare. I love you as high as I can reach, said Little Nut Brown Hare. I love you as high as I can reach, said Big Nut Brown Hare. That is very high, thought Little Nut Brown Hare. I wish I had arms like that. Then Little Nut Brown Hare had a good idea. He tumbled upside down and reached up the tree trunk with his feet. I love you all the way up to my toes, he said. And I love you all the way up to your toes, said Big Nut Brown Hare, swinging him up over his head. I love you as high as I can hop, laughed Little Nut Brown Hare, bouncing up and down. But I love you as high as I can hop, smiled Big Nut Brown Hare, and he hopped so high that his ears touched the branches above. That's good hopping, thought Little Nut Brown Hare. I wish I could hop like that. I love you all the way down to the lane as far as the river, cried Little Nut Brown Hare. I love you across the river and over the hills, said Big Nut Brown Hare. That's very far, thought Little Nut Brown Hare. He was almost too sleepy to think anymore. Then he looked beyond the thorn bushes, out into the big dark night. Nothing could be farther than the sky. I love you right up to the moon, he said, and closed his eyes. Oh, that's far, said Big Nut Brown Hare. That is very, very far. Big Nut Brown Hare settled Little Nut Brown Hare into his bed of leaves. He leaned over and kissed him good night. Then he lay down close by and whispered with a smile, I love you right up to the moon and back. What is a greeting card? We usually give and receive greeting cards on special occasions like birthdays or holidays. Greeting cards have been used for a long time. The custom of giving cards goes all the way back to ancient China, where messages of goodwill were given to one another to celebrate the new year. The Egyptians also wrote greetings for each other on papyrus scrolls. We use greeting cards to express our feelings of love, joy, or appreciation for someone. In Guess How Much I Love You, Little Nut Brown Hare is trying to show Big Nut Brown Hare how much he loves him. Little Nut Brown Hare says throughout the story, I love you this much, while stretching his arms out wide or hopping really high. In our card, we're going to show how much we love someone by making a really long card using an accordion fold. The accordion fold is a folding method that uses a sequence of alternating folds. The end result is paper that looks like the accordion instrument. start our card, we'll need 3 sheets of paper. Let's fold the first piece of paper. We'll start by folding the paper in half, bringing the shorter sides together. Make sure the corners line up. Firmly press down on the crease to make a crisp fold. Next, we'll fold the left side of our paper towards the crease. Now we'll flip our paper over to the back and repeat that last step, but this time we're folding the right side of the paper toward the crease. And that is our accordion fold. Let's fold our other 2 pieces of paper the same way. Now we're going to glue our folded papers together. Stand your papers up so that you can replicate the correct order that they need to be glued. To continue the accordion pattern with all 3 papers, you have to glue them together so that they form a zigzag line. The pattern also looks like the letters M, W, M. Use a few drops of glue, match the edge of one paper to the crease of the other paper, lining up the corners. Gently press the papers together. Repeat with the third piece of paper, making sure that they are continuing the pattern. When you unfold it, you should have a long, seamless accordion fold. Let's write. Before we write, let's talk about how to hold a pencil. I'm holding my pencil in a tripod grip. This is how we hold our pencil when we want to write. This is the best way to control our pencil while writing, and this is the grip that also helps us write longer and it doesn't strain our hand. For the tripod grip, you'll use your first 3 fingers. Keep the last 2 tucked in. Those first 3 fingers come together. They kind of look like an alligator's mouth. Then our pencil fits right inside the mouth shape you formed with your fingers. Make sure your fingers are close to the tip of the pencil. And that's how to hold a pencil while writing. On the front of our card, let's write, I love you. You can spell out I love you, or you can write the letter I, draw a heart, and then write the letter U. That also means I love you. The word love has been replaced by the symbol for love, a heart, and we substituted the letter U instead of spelling U, Y-O-U. Practice writing in pencil first. Then use colorful markers, crayons, or colored pencils to make it stand out. I write my capital letter I by drawing a horizontal line, a vertical line down the center, then another horizontal line at the bottom. I draw my hearts one side at a time. The curved line for my heart kind of looks like the letter J or a candy cane. Then the letter U is a curved line like one on a smiley face. Next, let's open the card. Inside we'll write this much. Watch how I write the words this and much. When you're done writing, make sure you decorate your card with lots of colorful designs. I'm covering my card with hearts. I hope you enjoyed making this accordion card with me, and I hope you give your card to someone you care about. Great job today! Thank you for joining ASI today. At ASI, we'd love for you to email your art to us so that we can include it on our website and on our online art show. Our email is info@artsphere.org. If you post an image of your ASI art project on social media, be sure to include the hashtag #LoveArtsphereInc. You can find more free teaching videos, handouts, and lesson plans at info@artsphere.org.